In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Basecamp step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Basecamp login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your email address and click Next. Then type your password and continue to sign in. If your account has extra security enabled, just follow the prompts. A quick tip, if you're on a shared computer, avoid saving your password. Once you're in, you'll land on Home. This is your command center. From here, you can create new projects or open existing ones. It's a great idea to start the projects you use most so they're easy to find. When you're ready, click on a project to open it. Inside a project, you'll see a set of tools that keep everything organized. Let's walk through them one by one so you know exactly where to go. Click Message Board when you want to post announcements, pitch ideas, or keep discussions on topic. Messages are best for decisions and updates that you'll want to find later. You can add attachments, format your text, and choose who gets notified so you avoid unnecessary pings. Next, click To-Dos to create checklists and assign tasks to teammates. Break work into small, clear items, set due dates, and add assignees so everyone knows who's responsible. You can comment on tasks to clarify details, and completed items are tracked automatically. Click Docs and Files to upload PDFs, images, and other documents. You can organize files into folders and add descriptions so context isn't lost. When you update a file, Basecamp keeps the history, which helps your team stay aligned on the latest version. Click Card Table if you prefer a Kanban-style workflow. Cards move across columns based on status, like Backlog, In Progress, and Done. Drag and drop cards as work progresses, and use due dates and owners to keep momentum visible. Click Schedule to see deadlines and upcoming tasks in a calendar view. To-do due dates appear here automatically, so this becomes your project's timeline. You can create events, invite teammates, and align on what's happening when. Click Chat to communicate in real time with your team. Use it for quick questions and check-ins. For bigger decisions or announcements, switch back to the message board so information is easier to find later. Finally, click Project Activity to review recent changes and updates. It's a helpful way to catch up after time away, with a chronological view of what's been happening across the project. That's it. With these tools, you can keep your projects organized, conversations focused, and deadlines clear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working smarter in Basecamp.